So once again, good evening, and let me start my session. And this is Power BI demo class. And there are two demos. First demo, second demo, there are two demo classes. And today, first demo, and tomorrow, second demo. Attend both the demos, then only you get complete clarity. I'll not waste your time, but you are already having experience in Power BI and you're looking for a very advanced level, then the demo level, you will not find it. In case already you're having experience and you want to learn more, then directly join for the classes. Call me on my number, what I'm going to cover, how I'm going to cover, I will explain you. So, and then you can take a call. But this demo is intended for the people who wants to establish their career in IT, who wants to enter into BA and Power BI. Very detailed content you will not get in all places. Very few people and very few trainers will give this much detailed information. But if you're clear with this, happily you can start up your career. Without clearing this, please don't start your career. Practical you will get everywhere, YouTube and many places. But the basic understanding, the foundation, you will not get in all places. Drag and drop, anybody can explain, but not the foundation. So learn the best foundation from here and then kick off. So మరలా చెప్తున్నాను, మొత్తం ఫౌండేషన్ అంతా కూడా మంచిగా నేర్చుకోండి. డెమోస్లో క్లారిటీ తెచ్చుకోండి, స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. అంతవరకు క్లారిటీ రాకపోతే స్టార్ట్ చేయొద్దు. No use of it. Right, let me explain. My personal details. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. So I'm working as a lead consultant. And the current course duration 50 to 60 hours, 2 months, daily 1 hour, and Monday to Friday classes or Monday to Saturday classes. So usually Saturday level, I take additional sessions like project session. I will combine multiple batches and take project session. These sessions, especially case studies, projects, GitHub Agile, Tabular Cube, page-related report builder, report server. These kind of sessions usually I take in the Saturday weekend. But monthly 2 Saturdays only we have class. Monthly 2 Saturdays. And weekdays, Monday to Friday, we go for only subject. Power BI detailed subject. I'll give you understanding about Power Platform for 4 hours. Power BI, all these concepts for 20 hours. There is a language inside Power BI, DAX. This is for 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours minimum. And Power BI service, 8 to 10 hours. Power BI server, 3 to 4 hours. Even SQL, 3 to 4 hours. This one Monday to Friday and Saturday, I will give you this. Sir, 2 months is required for Power BI. Can't I finish in 20 or 30 days? Within 20 or 30 days, you cannot finish. Just you can learn important topics. But if you are really looking for in detailed content of Power BI and you want to face any kind of interview and you want to work happily, compulsory in-depth of subject is required. So my course is designed for that purpose, not just to cover basics or high level. And my 1 hour session, if you want to practice, it will take 2 to 3 hours minimum. My 1 hour session. Sufficient. And don't feel 1 hour trainer is taking. If he is taking 2 hours, I can do it. If I take 2 hours, it will take 8 hours for you to practice in a day. Next. Attend parallel batches if you want to finish little early. I will tell you how to follow. Some people purchasing videos due to lack of time. Some people attending fast track. So we do have fast track. I'll give you a contact number. You can enroll so that they will inform you for fast track, but I'm not the trainer. I take only normal class, detailed training for 60 hours. Right. Now, what are the components I'm going to cover? So I will cover in the next 2 months environment related concepts like data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamental. These two I will cover. And I will cover project related tools like Agile methodology, GitHub versioning. And I will cover 2 near real-time projects with multiple case studies. Database knowledge. I will give 3 to 4 hours in the class. And this 3 to 4 hours is not sufficient for you in case you want to go to interviews or you want to work in the real time. 3 to 4 hours not sufficient. You need to learn separately in our institute or outside. So I can increase the number of sessions of SQL, but only the problem is if I increase SQL flush, automatically Power BI subject will reduce. And these 3-4 hours, I will give you meaningful content. Performance related topics in the Power BI and some advanced topics related to Power BI I will give you. SQL and Power BI related concepts, the two little advanced level I will give you here. And I will help you in the resume preparation. I will help you in the FAQs and mock interviews conducting. So these are all environment and project related concepts I'm going to cover. And coming to Power BI subject level, cloud components I will cover. Power BI available in the cloud, Power BI available in the on-premises. I cover cloud components like Power BI desktop and these concepts. Power BI service and a language called DAX. Coming to on-premises, Power BI report server and paginated report builder. On-premises components and additional components like Power Automate, Power Apps also I will cover, but both I will cover for 4 hours. So these are the components I'm going to cover next 2 months. So with this, you come to know real-time project, little bit understanding, job trials, and Power BI depth of knowledge. Sir, are you covering this or providing any material? Mostly no network issues from our side, but next couple of minutes you see and let me know. And these are the components I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. And not just covering the components. I'll give you theory, practical material, daily live class videos, daily video you will receive. And the training is fully practical oriented training. You will be having very good interaction with me. I will help you in the resume preparation. One WhatsApp group created for our technical questions, concerns, etc. FAQ is also discussed. And we will create a folder for your batch. For each batch, we will create a folder like this. And within the folder, I will place videos, daily video. Whether you are attending or not, daily video will place. Daily video, you can go and see. Not only that, we will notify you in the WhatsApp. Once the video is placed, we'll notify in the WhatsApp. This is the content covered today. Please read and practice. So the training is complete systematic training. And the training is intended for these people. In case you guys are trying for Power BI development side and you want to become a report developer or Power BI developer, Power BI knowledge and DAX knowledge is required. It is one of the languages in the Power BI. I'll cover both and more opportunities in this combination. SQL, I'll give you 3 to 4 hours, but you need to learn separately SQL for 30 hours. And depth of SQL is not required. There are 8 topics available. Those 8 topics, good knowledge is compulsory. I'll give you the list of topics. Just practice those topics. So happily you can face interviews and you can work in the real time. And you can try as a Power BI support resource. Power BI support. And you can try as a Power BI admin. If you want to try as an admin, you can try. So my course is good enough for all these opportunities. But some people already having knowledge in MSBA, Tableau, Azure, and Synapse Databricks. They are trying in the combination. Here more than enough. As you are going for a combination, subject is more than enough. And some companies looking for Power BI freshers. Even we are getting on and off Power BI fresher opportunity. Last year, 7 small medium companies approached us for Power BI fresher recruitment last year. This year, since beginning, only one opportunity, we got it. But there are opportunities for Power BI freshers. And these opportunities less than 5 years, in case you want to keep in the resume. Power BI related less than 5 years. But you have more experience and you want to keep more. Then these are the roles available. Modeler role, designer role, specialist role, architect role. These are the roles available for more than 5. Without working experience in 1 project or 2 projects, you cannot try for this. By learning, you cannot try. So my course is good enough in case Power BI related experience less than 5 you want to keep. And for this, at least 1 or 2 projects and to your knowledge or good working experience is required. So this is all about opportunities, what we provide, what I cover, and how many days I will cover. Now take your mic and ask your questions if you have any questions. Right. So let me start my day. So I'm going to explain in the next 40 minutes. Till 8:10 I will continue. Till 8:10 I will explain complete this part. In case we have some more time, I will explain a practical. Otherwise, we will keep it pending for tomorrow, the practical part. Today, I will give you complete awareness of data, BI, everything. And tomorrow, we'll go for practical. Good. So before you start up Power BI, this is the thing you are supposed to know. This is where maximum people lacking skills. This is where maximum people failing in the interview. Firstly, we need to know what is data and how many types of data available. Second, IT applications, majorly how many types available. What is BA application? And how many types of BA applications available in the market? And what type of BA application is Power BI? And then we need to know Power Platform, because Power BI now under Power Platform. And this is called as data to Power Platform hierarchy. So this part you need to know in detail. I will explain slowly one by one. First part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Come down to data. Anything you are able to store is called data with respect to IT. And we are keeping data in 3 ways. First one, structured data, table data, and your Excel data all come under structured. See, this is table data, structured, ID, name, age, degree, something structured. Semi-structured. In IT level, JSON file, XML file, these all come under semi-structured. Example I mentioned, not fully structured, partially structured. Look at this, student ID 1, name John, age 18. This is not fully structured like this, partly structured. So this is called semi-structured. Unstructured, WhatsApp message, Instagram message, your email messages, emails, your Word document content, PDF document content, your barcodes, QR codes, satellite signal, all come under unstructured. This is one example, no structure at all. So we have 3 types of data. Sir, how is it related to Power BI? Power BI is the only one application in the market which support all these types of data. And companies using Power BI for this purpose. It can work on structured data, it can work on semi-structured data, it can work on unstructured data. Even first practicals, I will explain this. I will show you how to bring data from the table, how to bring data from Excel, how to bring data from JSON, how to bring data from XML, even social media, Word document, PDF, all these things I will show you. So this is the first strength of Power BI, working on any type of data. Next, storages. So we keep data in 2 places. 1, files. 2, database. 2 places only we keep data. And the data we keep, these files and database data, in 2 areas. 1, on-premise. This data within the organization. The meaning of on-premises, within the organization, within the device, within the server, within the system. Second one, cloud. This data stored in the cloud level, which is somebody else's storage. Take our mobiles, the photos, videos, everything in our mobile device. At the end of the day or end of the week, we'll move to Samsung cloud or Apple cloud somewhere. That's a cloud storage. We'll take backup, right? The backup in the cloud level. And today I will share the video in Google Drive. That is a cloud. Google Drive is a cloud. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are all working with clouds. So data 3 types available, and 2 formats data we maintain, file and database, and 2 storages we have on-premises and cloud. Got clarity on this? Now, come to BIT applications. Major applications. There are a couple of additional as well, but important and major applications, 2 types. And you're able to see .NET, Java, R, Python, C, C++, SAP, mainframe, Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, many applications. They majorly fall under 2 categories. 1, business running applications. 2, business analysis applications. So some IT applications perform business running, helps in business running. Some IT applications, business analysis. Technically, we call business running applications as OLTP, online transaction processing. This is a technical word. IT technical word, transactional processing, but normal word, business running. Example, IRCTC ticket booking. Take our train ticket booking, which is a business running application. And it will store data like this. After you book a ticket, PNR number, amount, number of passengers, start date, end date, train number. So business running applications store data like this. Look at this, general public, they are using forms, ticket forms, maybe web level, maybe desktop level, mobile level. Nowadays, Very few people approaching counters. Everyone trying to book through web or mobile. So general public perform business operation by going to farms in this area and booking their information. And the data is called transactional data. Once your ticket booking is completed, you will receive a message, transaction completed. Even Book My Show, if you book a ticket, transaction completed. If you withdraw cash from ATM, you get a message, transaction completed. That's why we call them as transactional applications. Got clarity? Why are you getting like transaction completed? Even online money you transfer, transaction successfully completed. This is your reference number. Next. And once the information is booked, it looks like this: PNR number, amount, number of passengers, start date, end date, like this. But management team, IRCTC management team, they don't bother about information of this. They always expect how many trains having full booking today, how many trains not having any booking, which region having highest booking of tickets, which region tickets not sold, which class having highest booking, which class not having highest booking, or which class having lowest booking. And this kind of information is called decision-making information. Some people say analytical information. Some people say it is adding some intelligence information to the business. So people call it as BI information, business intelligence information. So always management look forward for this kind of information. Nowadays, management team going to web, desktop, mobile, all these applications and analyzing this. But they deal with the reports and dashboards. They will not work on forms. So business running application happens through forms, but business analysis always in the form of report or dashboard through any media or any platform. But how come your normal data, this is your normal data and this is your analytical data? Trains having highest booking, trains having no booking, something. How come this normal data converted to this? And you all guys decided to convert normal data to decision-making data. That's why you're attending a demo. Your objective is converting normal data into decision-making data and presenting in the form of report and dashboard. మీరు కంపెనీలో చేయబోయేది నార్మల్ డేటాని అనలిటికల్ డేటాలో ప్రజెంట్ చేయడం, రిపోర్ట్ డాష్బోర్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి. So the Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, all these tools perform the same operation. They convert your normal data into decision-making data, which can also be called analytical data or business intelligence data. And we present through reports and dashboards. And the process which we follow to convert normal data into decision-making data or analytical data is called OLAP process or BI process. What do you call it? OLAP or BI. So you guys going to get normal data, implement BI process and generate reports and dashboards. మీరేం చేయబోతున్నారు కంపెనీలో? నార్మల్ డేటా తీసుకొచ్చి ఎనీ డేటా BI ప్రాసెస్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసి రిపోర్ట్ ఆర్ డాష్బోర్డ్ జనరేట్ చేయబోతున్నారు. I'm not telling about Power BI, that is BI process. So these are the two major IT applications and this is the kind of communication available. Any questions, please? Thank you.
So far good and clear, sir.
Excellent. That's what I'm expecting. Right. Now, then what is BI? Intelligence for the business. Intelligence for the business is business intelligence. So what do you mean by intelligence for the business? Decision-making data, analysis data is intelligent data. And you call a person, he is an intelligent guy. How come? Or when do you call it? If he is able to take the decisions quickly, he is able to answer it properly and effectively, then we call him as intelligent guy. Even normal data called as a BA data, business intelligence data, if it is giving decision-making information, analytical information, quirky information. So don't think business intelligence means it's a separate process. For normal data, we create analytical data, decision-making data. The data is BA data. And input for the BA data is any type of data, any data, anywhere. Output from the BA is report or dashboard. Sir, what is the difference between report and dashboard? A report talks about detailed understanding of data, detailed understanding, and always one particular operation data we present in the report. Coming to dashboard, it's not like that. Dashboard level, high level data we will present, and set of reports data we will present. So this is a report, low level data. And this is dashboard, high level data. And technically when we speak, more and more KPI visuals, key performance indicator visuals you find here. So you may create a detailed understanding data object, or you may create high level data understanding object. Got clarity about report and dashboard? So what is the input of BI? Data, any type, any storage. Output, report or dashboard. Now, but how come you generate? Let me explain. General public, they're using web, mobile, desktop, performing operations in the forms, and finally the data stored. That is normal data, transactional data. But management team, they don't bother about the data. They need analytical data, decision-making data or BA data. And that too, the BA data in the form of report or dashboard. But how come we convert normal data into decision-making data? There is a process. That process is called BA process. And this process given early 90s, not now. So if you go to any BA company or any company which has BA, they follow this process. Compulsory. Process never change. The tool will change. Tools will change, but not process. So you're learning now a standard BA process. According to scientists, if you want to construct a good decision-making system or analytical system, firstly, you gather the data. This is data gathering. Gather data. Technically, we call it as ETL, extract the data from your daily systems, perform some intermediate operations required, and load into a huge storage. This is storage area, second layer. So your daily business data, you bring it and move into a storage area. But as you're keeping daily data and increasing the volume, it looks very high. The high storage areas are called warehouses. So scientists suggested as you're keeping daily data, it looks huge volume, and so create a warehouse. But complete warehouse data analysis at a time not possible. So take required data from here, required data, and then apply your aggregate operations like sum, average, minimum, maximum. Analytical operations, rank, row number, sampling, standard deviation, apply all, and create a decision-making storage. Analytical storage, semantic storage. I'm using technical words, but daily I'm going to use the same words. You feel very happy and you feel very simple in the regular classes. And don't feel panic. The people who are new to IT and attending first time a technical demo. Today you may feel panic, but after 2 days you feel very bored because the same process I'm going to implement, daily I use the same technology. ఈ రోజు మాత్రం మీకు కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది, 2 days తర్వాత ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. డైలీ అదే చేస్తాను పని, చేసేది ఇంకేం ఉండదు, మాట్లాడేది కూడా అదే ఉంటుంది. So here we create a component called decision making component, semantic component, or analytical component. What it contains: required data, required calculations. Then report level, we present this data and the data given to management team. So according to scientists, for a proper decision-making system, first data gathering layer, data storage layer, and semantic layer, reporting layer. These 4 layers compulsory required if you want to construct a proper and strong BI system. And initially, we were having these ETL tools, these warehouses, these analytical components, these reporting components. Depending on the budget, depending on the scalability, companies use different components. Budget and scalability. And this is called legacy BA process, legacy, old BA process. So if a company want a BA system, compulsory one ETL tool they need to purchase, one warehouse they need to maintain, one analytical component they should have, one reporting they need to generate. 4 things compulsory. So it was too costly approach. That's why only MNCs able to use this. Now BI for all organizations and every organization, but earlier only for MNCs. 4 tools required, 4 setups required, 4 different people required. Too costly, right? So first time one organization came up with a very simple solution, an end-to-end solution in a single area, that is MSBA. So MSBA 2005 is the first version, and this is from the Microsoft. And pronunciation, Microsoft Business Intelligence. And this is a suite. MSBA is a suite which has multiple tools. First tool is integration services tool. Second tool is analysis services tool. Third tool is reporting services tool. Fourth tool is data quality services tool. 4 tools available. So MSBA suite has 4 tools. And the first tool works here. Second tool works here. Third tool works here. And fourth one in this area before loading to this quality level, 4th one. So MSBA 4 components in the 4 areas. One single suite sufficient. And you don't believe, from 2005, many small companies, many medium companies started using BI. So earlier it was not available. And MSBA is rock solid application in the market. Till this day, MSBA having its own market. It is very strong. Now, one question you can ask me, sir, if MSBA having a very good market, then why Power BI? Why it was released by Microsoft? It is valid, right? Now I'm going to explain that. Look at this. Legacy BI, early BI. Multiple tools required, multiple setups required, multiple resources required. It is complex and costly. Middle age BI, MSBA, 2005. Later, these are all the versions. Please see this. 2008 version, 8R2 version, 12 version, 14 version, etc. available. And every 2 to 3 years, there is a version available. If you look at this, every 2 to 3 years, MSBA is very strong in the market. And MSBA brought Microsoft leadership in the market. If you question yourself, why should I run behind Microsoft BI? Why should I run behind Microsoft BI? The answer is, it is a leader. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is the leader in the market. 16 years. MSBA brought the leadership. Now Power BI continuing it. If leader is not having market, what about others? Sir, can you show me how Microsoft is the leader? Let me go. Working people, I will share these links. And whatever I'm explaining, I will give you a text document. Please go through. So Gartner is one organization who rate IT applications. Gartner. And Gartner said, Microsoft named a leader in 2022. Analytics and BA platforms. And this is not important. This is important. Today, we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BA. So analytics and BA platform level, Microsoft is the leader for the last 15 years. So your selection is perfect. BA, that to Microsoft tool is really perfect. See this, this is a market. Not given by Microsoft, Gartner. See, they clearly said Microsoft is the leader. Salesforce, Tableau, ClickView, these are all leaders, and these are some more. These are just challengers. And I will share this link. Please go through it to get more knowledge, especially for working people. If you want to question yourself, why should I go with Microsoft? Then this is the answer. This is one. Right. This is one link. I showed Microsoft market. Second link, little old link. And this is old link by 2021 market. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. In 2021, 36% market Power BI. It is holding 36%. And 2022, 42%, 6% more. But that link I missed somewhere. You can see this, Power BI market share. Here they clearly mention what exactly we have in Power BI. 19, 20, 21, 36% is BA projects in Power BI. Tableau, 20%. And 22, it is 42. These reduced. ClickSense, SAP Analytics Cloud, IBM Cognos, Looker, the market. These are genuine statistics. And you want to compare Tableau versus Power BI, or you want to see ClickView versus Power BI, they're clearly given here. You kindly look into. This link also I will share with you. Please go through this. Okay, sir, from 2008, Microsoft is the leader. I'm really happy for it. Now Power BI continuing. But still, why Power BI release in the market? Microsoft is good, it brought leadership, right? But why Power BI? Only one problem. When Microsoft was released, 2005 it was released. When it was released, it kept the features, it kept the architecture, it kept the configurations before the market of 2004. It released in 2005. So before 2004, whatever the IT market available, by seeing that market, they kept the configuration architecture process. Here the problem is, after 2004, there's a drastic change in IT. Facebook released in 2004. I don't know how many of you released it. How many of you are aware of it? People using Google a lot from 2006. Twitter popular after 2006. And the market, mobile applications, we all using mobile apps from 2010. Few people maybe recently, but 2010 onwards, people using mobile apps. And cloud is very popular in the market from 2006. So these are all features missing in MSBI. Market drastically changing, IT market. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release one more BA component with all these changes? Continue market capturing. That's why they added more power to existing BA and they released Power BI. So these are all the drawbacks of MSBI. Architecture is purely before the market of 2004. It is for only on-premises. Cloud is not there in MSBI. And we need a suite to perform complete end-to-end process. No mobile-friendly and tab-friendly apps available. Very limited sources MSBI connect. but market now changed, and no better embedding. So MSB report you cannot keep in Facebook, Twitter, these kind of applications. Even in a company portal level, company website level, MSB report you want to keep, it's very tough part. This is one more. And average coding required in MSBA. And the report visuals not suitable for the current dynamic market. And changes also every 2 to 3 years, one time changes. 2 to 3 years. So this is a major reason why Power BI decided to add more power to existing BI, that is Power BI. So Power BI nothing but adding more power to existing BI. Already BI available. For this BI, more power added. Got clarity? Why the name Power BI? Powering BI. More power to BI. Sir, what type of power? First point. No need of multiple tools like MSBA. MSBA having multiple tools. And Power BI level, single application sufficient. Single application, which has multiple concepts. This is first concept. This is second concept. This is third concept. This is fourth concept. These 4 concepts will perform the respective operations. So one application, multiple concepts perform, end-to-end process. That's why Power BI is called self-service BI application. And MSB level, multiple tools will do the process. So MSB is called self-service BI suite. MSB is a suite, Power BI is a self-service BI application. So MSB level, we have advantage, all in single area, end-to-end process. But Power BI level, all in single application. Now go this and see. So Power BI is a self-service BI application which will generate and report and dashboard from the data. If you want to answer your friends, you want to explain an interview, answer this point sufficient. It is a self-service BI application which will generate reports and dashboards from the data. So you guys going to use that self-service application to generate reports and dashboards. And Power BI having full support to cloud as well as on-premises. Cloud is possible. This point already covered. Power BI having mobile and tab-friendly operations. And Power BI support all types of data. You can keep Power BI reports in the Facebook level, Twitter level easily. So embedding possible. On top of all, the most beautiful point, many visuals available and which are suitable for the current market. And Power BI level, low code available. Average code we need to write in MSBI, but Power BI level, low code. Low code, Power BI is a low code application. Last property and last advantage with Power BI, monthly update. As Microsoft releasing every 2 to 3 years and companies also not satisfied. So Microsoft decided to give monthly update. The first application in the market with the monthly updates is Power BI. Microsoft having many scientists. They keep on watching market and releasing the current features. For example, you started a new company, you released a new product, immediately Microsoft will land over and ask you, why don't you integrate with us? We have a wonderful analytics service and BI service. Next month, or other month, we can see in the update level, we integrated with so-and-so organization, we joined with so-and-so organization, we collaborated with so-and-so organization. That is the beautiness. So Power BI announced in 2013 July actually. And from July 2013 to till this month, every month we have update. Every month we have update. So the reason for monthly update, to continuously capture the market. They don't want to fail like MSBA. It's not a failed one. The process is different. They want to have much more advanced one. That is This is a major reason why people like Power BI, use Power BI. Self-service BI application, low-code application, continuous market changes it is capturing, embedding possible, mobile-friendly, tab-friendly, cloud possible, all possible. If somebody questioned you, why Power BI when MSBI already exists? This should be your answer. And also I covered what is Power BI. Adding power to BI or self-service BI to generate report or dashboard from data. Sir, can I see all the monthly updates, these updates? Possible. I will go to the previous Gartner link. This is the Gartner link. And here you can see March 2023 is the current month update. Every month we have update. If you see this, down. From July 2013 to till this month, we have update. So MSBI 2005, Power BI July 2013. The reason for explaining MSBI, because this is the first BA. When one BA Microsoft having and one BA is leader, why they release Power BI? It is important to know. That's why I explain. And MSBI comes under middle age BA, middle age. And Power BI comes under modern BI because modern BI features available, modern IT application support available. So you can add this point also. So market before 2004 features in MSBA, but Power BI modern BI because modern features it has. Got clarity? So because of this reason, Microsoft decided, because Power BI brought lot of market to Microsoft in BI level. Many companies started using Power BI in their projects. There's a huge business as well. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release these kind of low code components multiple? It's a low code application. So that is the result of Power Platform. Power Platform is a low code approach to implement multiple operations and given in 2019. So MSBI 2005, Power BI to July 2013, but now it is under Power Platform from 2019. So then what is Power Platform? It is a platform with set of low code components. A platform with set of low code components. The first one, Power BI. It is a low code application to generate reports and dashboards. Power Apps is a second application. It's a low code application to generate mobile and tab friendly apps. You want to create your business app very quickly, possible by using Power Apps. Nowadays, each and every operation we are performing in the mobile and tab apps only. And those apps you want to construct with less code possible, that is Power Apps. Third one, Power Automate. It is a low code application to perform RPA process, robotic process automation, RPA. So what it is, I will tell you in the regular class clearly. Simply automated operations you want to do, automated operations, then Power Automate. I can give you one example. Whenever you receive a high importance email from your manager, you want a mobile notification. How is it possible? By using Power Automate. So Power Automate level, you can automate it. So whenever you receive high importance email, you need mobile alarm, mobile notification. So those kind of things we do in the Power Automate with less code. Here the point is less code. Next one, Power Virtual Agents. What do you mean by this? When you open a website, when you open an app, nowadays in the down right hand side corner here, you will find one girl photo or some system photo and find a message. How may I assist you? This is called chatbot. Chatbot. And you want to create these chatbots with less code possible, that is virtual agent. So virtual agent is a low code application to create intelligent chatbots. Last one, you want to create your company website. So it's a low code application to create web pages and website. That is Power Pages. So these are the components available now under Power Platform. All are low code components. And nowadays, many companies asking Power Platform and Power BI developers, or Power BI or Power Apps developer, Power BI plus Power Apps developer. You should not feel confused. That's why I'm explaining here. And these all components made, these all components are released, inspired from Power BI low code only, as it was well proved and many companies started using it, and Microsoft able to generate more business. So they decided to add some more components. That is Power Platform components. Clear? So data to Power Platform, I clearly explained. I will conclude now. We have three types of data in the market. Two major types of IT applications in the market. One runs the business, one analyzes the business. The business analysis applications are BI applications. Legacy process is different. Middle age process is different. Sorry. Modern process is different. And Power BI fully having modern features. And with the spirit of Power BI modern process, Microsoft decided to release some more components that comes under Power Platform. And Power Platform having 5 components, and these are the 5 components. So data to Power Platform successfully completed here. So successfully our first demo completed. Now, what about tomorrow? Tomorrow, this is tomorrow. So this topic is very important. The history and points are much needed. You points in history compulsory kavali. Interview and you want to prove yourself compulsory required. And coming to tomorrow, I told you Power BI single application to perform end-to-end operation and generate reports or dashboards. How is this possible? What are the tools required and components available, and their installation and practice? One more example. And after this, you also need to practice. See the comfortness, and then start your progress. So attend tomorrow as well. Take the practical, implement the practical, feel comfortable, and then start your career.
So this batch time will be 7 p.m.
Okay, I'll explain you, sir.
Okay.
And for today, in another few minutes, you will receive the video plus document which explains the demo. I did not type anything to save my time and your time. You're not a very beginner to type it. If I started typing, I cannot cover this much subject. And you are all professionals. That's why I shown screenshots to explain, but I will give you a document to read it. A clear document to read it. Now class timings, tomorrow second demo at 7 p.m. From Saturday, regular classes at 7 p.m. I have total 6 batches in a day. Morning 7 a.m. one batch, 8 a.m. another batch, 9 a.m. one more batch, 10 a.m. one more batch. Again 6 p.m. batch, 7 p.m. So these are the batches available, but current batch is 7 p.m. As I said, the course duration 2 months. A very detailed course. Daily 1 hour, but my 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours practice for you. And these are all the components I'm covering. Environment knowledge, project tools, projects and case studies, SQL 3 to 4 hours, but this is not sufficient. You need to learn separately. And job trials, for job trials, resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, I will cover. Coming to Power BI subject level, cloud components I will cover, on-premises components I cover. Power Apps and Power Automate basics I will give you 4 hours. So this is a complete content. And the training is specially designed for A, interview purpose, B, working perspective, real-time working. C, there is an exam called PL 300 exam. From here, 70 to 80% covered. PL 300 exam. Remaining 20% you need to read from the manual. So this is a certification and you want to prepare 70 to 80% covered in this subject. Because the major objective is interview and working perspective. And final point, confident point, if you really want to learn Power BI in depth, all components, definitely I'm a good trainer, you can confidently join. All components you want to know, in detail you want to know. Thank you so much for joining demo. And I will stop now. If you have any questions, take your mic and ask. Or you can call me on this number in the specified timings for your professional or personal discussions. And who are not provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. So what is your query, Prasant? Please take mic and speak. Thank you, everyone. Join for tomorrow.